Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing this set of errors, just go ahead and follow the simple steps that I'm about to do. Alright, first one here, make sure that your graphics card is at least in the minimum requirements right here. Alright, the minimum requirements for graphics card will be NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, AMD RX 580, Intel Arc A320. If your graphics card model is lower than this, well, unfortunately, you'll be getting that error every time. Well, the best thing that you can do here is to upgrade your GPU. All right. If you have the minimum requirements and is still facing the issue, let's move forward. First thing that you need to do here is to go to your search bar and type in system updates. Then click on check for updates right here. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, click check for updates. If you have available updates, just like here in mine, go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, open your graphics card software. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA, so I'm going to go ahead and open up NVIDIA app, or one's called NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you have Intel or AMD, look it up online on how to install your respective drivers. All right. In here, in the NVIDIA app, I'm going to go ahead and go to the drivers tab and make sure that I have installed the latest drivers. All right. If you indeed have installed the latest drivers before and you're still facing the problem, make sure to try reinstalling it, as the past update might cause the problem. All right. Once done, restart your computer, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in DirectX. Once done, simply hit on enter and click on the first link where it says DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Click on that. It is from Microsoft itself, and click on the BBB right here, which is the big blue button. All right. Once you click on it, there will be a download page. Just go ahead and save it. Once done, run the installer. After the installation is done, restart your computer, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go to your search bar again and type in graphics. All right, click on graphics settings right here and make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on, and make sure to add your game right here. To do so, just go ahead and hit on browse and go to program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, Common, Marvel Rivals, then Marvel game folder. Once you're in here, click on the game, hit on add. It will be added right here. Click on it again, go to options and simply hit on high performance. Once done, hit on save. After that, don't run the game yet. Go to your search bar again and type in game mode. Once done, click on this game mode settings right here. Make sure that it is turned on, and on the left pane, click on game bar. Make sure that it is turned off. Then go to the search bar right here and type in background apps. Once done, click on background apps right here and make sure that it is turned off. After that, don't launch the game yet. Open the Steam app. All right, click on Steam right here at the top left. Go to settings, then go to downloads, clear cache, wait for the process to finish. Don't launch the game yet. All right, click on the game, right click on it, manage, browse local files, Marvel game, double click, click on the game, right click on it, properties, compatibility tab. Make sure that both disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator is ticked. After that, go ahead and go to change high DPI settings. Click on this one if it's unticked for you. Make sure that this one is checked. Then go ahead and make sure that application is selected. Once done, hit OK, hit apply, close everything, run the game from here, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.